So now let me show you something that will interesting, something that will interest you, something that will marvel you in this course. All right, if you come here now, look at what they said here. They said certificate of completion. This is wonderful. This is great. Although it's a free Forex course, is a free Forex mentorship, but what they are going to offer you certificates after taking this course. And I think it's some. What is going on, everybody? My name is Dochieke. Welcome back to another interesting video. In today's video, I'm going to show you all websites and platforms where you can learn how to trade Forex for free. In these platforms, you can actually get Forex courses for free. And one good thing about these platforms and these websites I'm going to show you is that at the end of you taking those courses, they are going to offer you certificates. You will be issued a certificate. You already know at this time that one of the most difficult things in Forex trading is learning how to trade. And if you want to learn, you are going to pay heavily to Forex mentors. Most of the Forex Academy we have will cost you hundreds of dollars for you to join, all right? And also for you to get their Forex courses is also going to cost you hundreds of dollars. So before we actually get straight to the video, all right, I want you to do not know me. My name is Dochieke, all right? I welcome you to this channel. What you have to do for me is to like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop your comment in the comment section, and click in the link in the description and join my Forex trading Telegram community. Now let's head over. So the first website that I have here is whatisforex.com. all right, if you come over to this website, whatisforex.com, you tend to see that they have a whole lot of things to offer. If you look over to this nav bar now, you see what is Forex technical analysis. Then under technical analysis, you tend to see a whole lot of subtopics they have here, which you can go ahead and read. Now over here also Forex trading, you tend to see what other introduction to Forex trading tips for beginners, MetaTrader 4. These are some basic Forex trading education that you can start learning. All right, so but however, this is my fourth on the list. Now the third on the list is tradingeducation.com. all right, tradingeducation.com. This is it here. This is one of the best that I'm also going to be recommending. So under tradingeducation.com, if you come over to courses, you tend to see a whole lot of courses they have here. You see trading courses, trading course. This is the one you will be interested in. All right, free books. You'll be interested in free Forex trading course. So I'll just go ahead and click on free Forex trading course. If I click on it, it's going to bring me to this page, which you can see here. All right, look at what they said. Learn to trade with the free Forex trading course. Learn to trade with the what? Free Forex trading course. As simple as that. Now let me show you something that is interesting. In fact, whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, you can also go and use this platform and learn how to trade or to sharpen your trading knowledge, which you can see. You can select what? I am a beginner, I am experienced. Based on the ones that you have selected will be prompted for you. All right, so now let me show you something that will interesting, something that will interest you, something that will marvel you in this course. All right, if you come over here now, look at what they said here. They said certificate of completion. This is wonderful. This is great. Although it's a free Forex course, is a free Forex mentorship, but what they are going to offer you certificates after taking this course. And I think it's something that is good because with this certificate you can use it and search for job, all right, under the business aspect of Forex trading. So you just go ahead and click on what? Enroll me on these free Forex education courses. Then you start doing what? You start taking the courses. You tend to see how their modules and every other thing looks like. All right, so this is what my third website on. This is my third website that you can start making use of to learn how to trade Forex as a beginner, especially if you don't have that money, to pay a Forex mentors. All right, so you can basically see their chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. Most of these thing they are going to teach you is the same thing that your Forex mentors are going to teach you. All right, but I will tell you the differences between this and that of your Forex mentor at the end of this video. So the second one on the list is Daily Forex. All right, Daily Forex happens to be good also, which you can start using for what? To learn how to trade Forex for free. So if you come over to education, that is what you're interested in, then you come over to ebooks, all right, or resources. You start to see Forex article, Forex basics, Forex webinar, Forex regulation. Then under ebook, free Forex ebooks, which you can download and start doing what? learning how to trade. Start learning how to trade. Now, if you come over to Learn Forex, all right, Learn Forex Trading Online, this might also be the one that you will be interested in, which you should also click and then start learning that online. So the first, which is the best that I'm going to recommend, a whole lot of people have been using that, and I'm sure that you also might have heard about them, is what is babypips.com. In fact, babypips.com is one of the biggest websites where you can learn how to trade Forex. All right, so is babypips.com is that at the end of you taking the courses, they will engage you in a quiz, all right, where you can also answer quiz. So what you have to do is very simple. Come over to this nav bar, all right, scroll over to Learn Forex. If you click on Learn Forex, it's going to bring you to this page, all right, where you can start learning how to trade Forex. So if you come over here, then you click on what? Start course. After taking the courses, which are step by step, then you can come over to trading quizzes, and then you take some of the trading quiz. If you do not enroll in the course, you can also take the trading quiz. All right, so that's it about the 4 websites that you can start to. That's it about the 4 websites which you can use to start learning how to trade. So now the difference between this and that of your mentor is that you joining a mentoring program or you having a mentor are going to have one-on-one relationship with someone. You basically know the person that is teaching you, and you can easily ask him or her questions. I've not taken any of these. You can easily ask him or her what questions. And also, most Forex mentors, most Forex Academy comes with live trading, but this website will just give you the educational aspect. So if you don't have the money to get a Forex mentor, you can start making use of this platform. They are well explained, beginner friendly, and is something that can help you in your trading journey. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did enjoy it, you know what to do. Kindly smash that subscription button, like this video, and I will see you on the next. Bye now.